Let's have fun. Oh no, it's raining. I hope there's not even a tornado coming. What's that? A tornado? A tornado is here. I need some help. Tornado's really coming? This can't be happening. And the sirens are going off. Oh my goodness, I need to seek shelter. Let's go, we need to get out of here. Everybody run! There's a tornado! There's no such thing as tornadoes. Oh my goodness, it's coming! It's an EF3! Oh my god, it's getting horrible. Look, we need to go. Oh my goodness, it's heading to Copper. Please evacuate Copper. A tornado's heading this way. It's about time the sirens turned off. We need to get out of here. Oh my goodness, the tornado's causing damages. I think it's getting close to Numberland. A few minutes later, it stopped. The tornado stopped moving. It almost hit Numberland. For a second, I thought it was.